Hello adventurers! Today, we're exploring one of the most beautiful natural wonders of the Philippines, located in the heart of Tanay Rizal. Tara, samahan niyo ako sa adventure na to. From the entrance, it's just a short trek to the falls. For just a couple of hours away from Metro Manila, this place is a perfect for a quick getaway. Madali lang itong puntahan by car or even by public transport. Sulit na sulit ang trip na ito dahil hindi mo kailangan gumastos ng malaki. For transportation, kung galing ka sa Manila, pwedeng mag-commute papuntang Tanay for around 70 to 100 pesos. From Tanay, you can take a tricycle going to Daranac Falls for about 100 to 150 pesos. Depende sa usapan nyo ng driver. Kung private vehicle naman ang dala nyo, may parking area dito and it's quite affordable. Ang kawayang tulay din na ito ang magsisilbing daan kung pupuntahan ninyo ang Batlag Falls. Pagdating sa entrance fee, it's only 50 pesos per person. Sobrang mura, di ba? Kung gusto nyo mag-picnic at magstay ng matagal, you can rent a cottage for only 300 to 500 pesos. Depende sa size. May mga available ding grilling areas dito if you want to cook your own food or magpaluto sa mga food resto dito. If you're into photography, siguradong maraming Instagram-worthy shots dito. From the cascading water to the natural rock formations, every corner is picture perfect. Look at this view guys, ang ganda diba? Daranac Falls is around 14 meters high and the water is so refreshing. Sobrang linis at lamig ng tubig. Perfect for a quick dip or maghapong liguan. Lalo na during summertime. Hindi lang yan. Napapalibutan pa ng mga lush greenery ang lugar na ito para ka talagang nasa isang hidden paradise. Being here makes me realize how important it is to take a break from the hustle and bustle of the city. Ang sarap palang tumakas muna sa ingay at stress ng buhay sa syudad. Nature really has a way of healing soul. Iba yung peace of mind na nabibigay ng gantong lugar. Yung may fresh air, tahimik, at malinis. It's a reminder na kailangan din nating mag-slow down minsan at mag-reconnect with nature. Being here at Daranac Falls makes you realize how beautiful and simple life can be. Minsan, we get so caught up with our daily routines that we forget to appreciate the natural beauty around us. Ito yung mga moments na nare-refresh yung mind and soul mo. Huwag niyo rin kalimutan mag-ikot sa paligid because there are smaller falls and streams nearby. Perfect spots para mag-picture taking or just enjoy the nature. Be mindful lang with your steps kasi madulas ang mga batong laging basa ng tubig. If you plan to visit Daranac Falls, here are some few tips. First, try to go early as possible para maiwasan yung crowd. The earlier the better para mas ma-enjoy nyo yung place. Second, it is better to bring your own food and drinks. Reminder, make sure to dispose your trash properly. Let's help keep this place clean and beautiful. Lastly, don't forget to bring a change of clothes and a towel dahil sigurado kung hindi nyo ma-resist ang lamig at linis ng tubig dito na umaagos mula sa mga bundok kaya napakalamig at refreshing. Ang ganda rin ng mga rock formations and there's a natural pool where you can swim and enjoy the cool waters. Talagang nakakawala ng pagod pag tiningnan mo yung paligid at nagtampisaw ka na sa tubig. So that's it for today's adventure here at Daranak Falls. I hope na-enjoy nyo yung adventure natin. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa mga darating pang adventure. This is Adventure reminding you that be mindful of our environment. Let's do all our part to preserve the beauty of the nature like this para marami pang ibang makaranas ng ganitong klaseng kagandahan. Leave nothing but footprints and take nothing but pictures. Till our next adventures, see ya!